We are trying to make plantain
pilau masala. So this doesn't need oil, it doesn't need any leaf, it's just some fishes and scary looking crayfishes with. Amen.
Yo!
Hello, Ghana!
Hey guys, we have Irindioma in the kitchen here. We are trying to make plantain
pilau masala. God,
so we don't have red oil or grocery to make this porridge plantain, so we are just trying to improvise, okay? And we know it's going to come out.
A good chef
is making something out of nothing.
Improvisation. Say improvisation.
We woke up one morning with nothing to eat and we were so hungry. We had plantains and some other ingredients I got from Kenya. So we decided to make something from all of these things that we had. We named this meal Plantain Pilau Masala. Will Kenyans eat this meal? Let us know what you think in the comment section.
Hi guys, so we want to make see our plantains. They're overripe, and we have our ingredients. We have onions, we have crayfish, we have salt, some spices, our seasoning cubes, we have fish and pepper. The only problem is either we need granite oil or red oil. But anyways, we can still cook it healthy without oils.
Oilless plantain, you know?
Yes, make this oilless mungasa. We have to give it a mungasa.
Give it a name.
Guys, I struggle to open this thing, but oh my god. Hello, Dana.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
So we just have to debone it and remove the bone. Where did you buy the fish? It's so cold.
I bought it in Cape Coast. It's been in fresh.
Okay. So guys, let's just break it out.
So we don't have oil, so we're trying to improvise and to make something nice,
Of course. It's definitely gonna be yummy. No leaves. I will cut that flower for outside. We will decorate it. So guys, just if you can just debone it, then every part is still needed, even the head. It looks like someone that likes head of fish. Hi guys, so the first thing we're gonna add our plantains. Okay.
What are we making again?
Plantain pilau
masala.
Yes, pilau masala. There's a porridge you do like this. There's a potato you do like this. You know potato. So you do exactly this. The only difference is you add bell peppers. You understand, carrots and the rest. So I know, but I'm sure people make this for their children. So we add our onions. Now this garlic we're meant to fry it. There's oil. It's meant to be oil, onions, garlic, or oil, garlic, onions, so that I can bring out that flavor. I'm gonna add some garlic. Okay, garlic is medicinal for your health.
Of course.
I'm gonna add our fresh pepper.
Smells good already.
We're encouraging ourselves in the Lord. Salt. You know, some people cook like this, then blend the plantain and give their kids to eat as food. I've seen this recipe before. It's time to go in with the pilau masala spice. This is what is going to make our food plantain pilau masala.
Are you sure you came out?
Just
to try to know if you even like it.
We must like it. We do have a choice. Hungry people don't have a choice. Yeah, let's see this food.
Why not add the fish?
I don't know.
Can you perceive that?
We need leaf. We need to run downstairs and pluck anything. I'm sure there are leaves around.
I'll pluck hibiscus flowers.
No. You don't believe me? There are leaves around. Wait.
Yum 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 yum.
Baby, this is the worst thing we've ever done in our life. Wait. Is it? Sorry.
I don't know what you're saying. When you're joking.
In provision up, just add more to just give it more flavor. So we need to go downstairs and pluck hibiscus flower. Now guys, see our crayfish. We don't have what to use and pound, but I think it's clean, but we can still wash it again.
It's cleaned already.
So we shouldn't wash it. Okay.
So this crayfish I got from Kenya, because that's the only thing we have. So let's do with it.
It was looking as if it's looking at me. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. See, so we don't need leave.
Windoma added head of fish for herself.
No, baby, the head is for you. Baby. Yeah. God, why? Talk about Kenya, and we learned this Kenyan dish. So today we're trying to try this recipe. And my girlfriend has actually also been in Ghana, but she passed over. Is it Passover? Passover night. But she moved over to Kenya, and guys, she learned a recipe called plantain pilau masala. Okay, and we're actually making it. So this doesn't need oil. It doesn't need any leaf. It's just some fishes and scary looking crayfishes with some red plantain and your pilau masala spices. Oh
Lord, hey, gay. The meal is giving. If only you can perceive this aroma of this food right now. Oh,
I know whatever I want to say, man, you will not believe it. Just try it. Pilau masala. Oh, our food looks terrible. For your plantain pilau masala, right? The leaf we use, the vegetable we use is okra, but you don't put the seeds. All this while I was able to cut out the other one. This one that I'm videoing now will stress my life. So you see, you remove the seed from your okra. You just need just the greens, okay? And guys, finally we're going to add this. We're going to use the botanical name of okra spilosis.
Is that
So guys, you just add your okra and our food is ready.
almost ready?
Yes, I added our smoked fish, guys. The flavor was everywhere. Finally, guys, the vegetable we use for this recipe is called Abelmoschus esculentals. Yes, guys, I know some of you call it okra. Anyways, I deal with the scientific names of stuff. Call your Kenyan president. Call your Ghanaian president. It's time for supper. Guys, our plantain pilau actually goes very good with juice. Oh yeah, now tag all your biggest food critic. Let them come and critique this food. If I don't vomit today. Amen.
Yo! Tell me why you not try this recipe.
Tell me, let's go and do food with a view.
So guys, what do you think about this food? Is this something you can try? Is this something you can eat? Would you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. As for me, the food was okay, but I didn't like the okra in it. It made it a bit slimy, but the taste was okay. It wasn't bad at all, and I'll rate it a 6/10. Okay, so let me know what you think about this food in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching. See you in my next video. Bye.